to go to the Lavik Lake Volcano Field. So this is my cousin Madison. Nice. Oh. So are you excited to go to the volcano field?
Yep, never been, so.
Me neither. So a cool fact about the volcano field is that they're basically the volcano field is 4 cinder cones that are basically extinct, and they're just like dotted around the lake area. So yeah. Right now, we are 52 minutes away, 52. And then we're gonna go and get some more energy. So, Madison has something she would like to say.
So peeps, looks like we're gonna be on this road for a very long time because we're only 51 minutes away. Yippee!
Yeah.
It's a very long drive, but hey, I've been on the road longer than that.
Well, actually, it's not 51 minutes away.
It's 50.
No, it's basically because we're gonna stop 50 minutes away to get more energy. And then we're gonna keep going. So it's way more than 50 more minutes away.
This road here is Route 66. This was the first road that went cross country. So you can take this road all the way from Los Angeles, from Santa Monica Beach, where you go sometimes, and it will take you all the way to Chicago. Some people take it. You guys are just playing the video games, you're not listening.
Now we're on the road. It's very bumpy. Very, very bumpy, as you can see.
No schedules except for earned income tax credit, child tax credit, student loan interest, and schedule one.
That's because it's a dirt road.
Protein is now at Starbucks. It's never tasted so good. You can add protein cold fold to your favorite drink or try one of our new protein lattes or matcha. Try it today at Starbucks.
Yeah, I'll drive.
So, which cinder cone are we gonna see?
Sitting in traffic.
Don't know.
All the students
So,
in
yeah.
towns help during the North Lunch.
Oh yeah, so the Lake
Taxes, TurboTax experts
volcanoes
suggest your
like
tax-
are you here for the last Yeah, so we're almost there. I can tell because that one is that leg is moving the other one. Tell we're almost there
It's a good thing I didn't drive your mom's car, Layla. No, I wouldn't have taken it up here. I turned around.
From scratch, we are living. Attachment that we have already tried. Girl, you watch shine like the morning sun. They can't stop, say so.
kidding, Sherlock! You can put it on top yet. No kidding! You said it's very steep. Yeah, no kidding! Well, it's very red. Oh my gosh! And I don't like it when you keep saying, oh my gosh. This is not it. Yes, you did. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not. Yes, you did. No, I'm not. You just said. I said no, I'm not. Not oh my gosh. You're walking on the ground. Oh my gosh. Why? Okay. What are you talking about, Little Rock? You're right, walking on the Little Rock.
nice of you to pop up.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, guys,
Point now, they're saying they're
still
not
in the
sure if they
picture?
wanna get behind the proposal.
Hey, bitch, so
Conservatives
we
in
just got back from the
former
volcano.
governments
It was
don't
very,
like the
very,
proposal.
very black on the outside.
What's gonna happen?
And it looked like almost a black sand desert.
And,
How Layla?
Yeah. And it was very steep, and it was very rocky, and it was very red, and Madison calls me Sherlock Holmes.
because she keeps pointing at the obvious, okay? So like you guys know how it's very hot out here and stuff. So she said, "Oh, it's very hot out here." Like no kidding, Sherlock. It's obviously hot. It's been hot all week. That's why I call her Sherlock Holmes, because she points out too much of the obvious.
That's why I call her Nancy Drew, because she's always on my case.
And guess what? We saw a very interesting cave for graffiti on it. Not little.
Yeah. It has so much graffiti on it. Like,
And she pointed at the obvious, but you can see it from like a mile away. So, Sherlock, what do you have to say for yourself?
well, what I have to say for myself that you're pointing out the obvious too. Because my dad's like, "Bruh." And then you're like, wow, thank you for telling me. Like, you're pointing out the obvious thing that everybody knows.
Just like you. And she's up here eating because we just got back from the fit place. Like, Sherlock over here filming a video. That's not the time to eat.
Eating chips. Not gonna be that messy.
You were saying you're getting it all over your clothes. See, guys, Sherlock should retire from his job, from her job, because she obviously ain't doing it right. And see, she's eating so much right now. Like, literally, take a break, man.
Imagine you ate a whole burrito.
What are you talking about?
Madison just ate a whole burrito.
No. No. I did not.
5 minutes.
No, I did not.
Oh yeah. So funny story, guys. So we're at the food place, and I'm like, oh man, they didn't give me a fork, and I was crashing out. And then I just realized, and then so we went back, and then now I realize I have chips, so I can like scoop it with my chips and eat it.
Sherlock
But this chip-
forgot about nachos. Or guacamole. So, here she is panicking because she doesn't have any silverware. And she totally forgot the old-fashioned silverware she has in her bag.
Silver. I think silverware is silver.
It's not blackaware.
I wear this.
I said blackaware. See it? So, like, silverware, blackware.
But I wear this.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't even know how to describe her. I just can't. Because there are too many words I can think of to describe her.
Well, why don't you write an essay about describing me?
Okay. I'll text it to you.
Organizations for their own sovereign interest, but those are not the same as the U.S. interest. So the U.S. went into a war without a clear
These guys
rationale.
taking a
The U.S.
picture.
went into a war without a
Route
clear
66.
plan, and no surprise, if you don't have the right rationale, if you don't have a clear plan, it's suddenly going to work out very, very badly. We're seeing energy costs spike. We're seeing American troops killed and others injured. We're seeing civilian school children killed in Iran, and the widening consequences throughout the region threaten a massive challenge for the U.S. economy and the global economy for months and months and months to come. Even if President Trump would today say, I'm stopping bombing, I bombed enough, the ripple effects that Virginians and Americans are seeing and that we're seeing worldwide will not stop for some time. We need to stop this war and then get to a negotiating table where we can, figure out a way forward that doesn't involve deaths of U.S. troops, deaths of civilians,
Daggett,
global
very nice.
economic devastation.
Little city of
And if the
Daggett,
Pentagon asks
California.
Congress for $200 billion to fund the war, do you think your Republican colleagues balk?
Get this, $200 billion.
I see
We
target.
asked the White House,
I see a
$35 billion a year will extend
That's Mr.
healthcare tax credits for all Americans, and they wouldn't do that. And now they want $200 billion for a war of choice on the say-so of one person, just like the president devastated the economy by imposing tariffs on the vote of one person. Now he's taken us to war, and they say they
Well,
need
there's a
another
school over
$20
there.
billion. It makes no sense, but at the minimum, what we would need, give us the proposal and let us kick the tires on the proposal before the American public. They're still not doing that, Alicia, on the war. They won't do hearings in public. They only want to do hearings in classified because they don't want to subject the administration officials who made the decision to go